My name is Pedro Rocio Cabrera Rojas, and this is my English oral project for the intermediate BookTube with course. The topic of my project is how English improves communication and career opportunities. Today, I will present a short interview about the importance of learning English and how it can help students in their personal and professional life. Why is English important for students? English is important because it helps students communicate with people from different countries and learn about other cultures, which also gives them more opportunities to study and work. Has learning English helped you personally? Let's it has I had become more confident when speaking and listening in English. I can also understand more information on the internet and in my studies. How can English help in a career? Many companies in employees who can speak English. If if I continued practicing, I could find better job opportunities and work with international people in the future. One, should students do to improve their English? They should practice every day by listening to music, on his videos, reading and speaking as much as possible. Making mistakes is part of learning, and the kids practice they can improve the communication skills. Thank you.